This is Craft Room Crash, and I'm outside DIYer Angela Johnson's studio. Now, her passion for fashion outgrew her home, so she moved into this building to continue her one-of-a-kind design. So let's go crash her craft room and find out what Angela is making today.
Hi! Welcome to my studio. I'm so glad you're here.
So excited to be here.
Come in.
Okay, let's do this. This is a room full of sewing machines. This is my favorite. I'm like in heaven right now.
I co-founded a building called Fabric. It's the Fashion and Business Resource Innovation Center. It is a place where designers can find their resources. This is what I do the hems with.
This is a spaceship.
I know, look at this thing. I was able to close out my home studio and just move everything to the Fabric building. And so I have my little sewing studio here now.
Can I touch these knobs?
You can touch them, but don't turn them.
Really?
If you could take something that exists and turn it into something else, give it a new life, I think that's my biggest mission, is to inspire people to do that.
This is like, hi, I'm Jane, and this is like, I am Angela Johnson Design.
My craft specialty is actually making ball gowns out of recycled t-shirts.
All of these t-shirts.
It's sort of a juxtaposition of punk rock and a lady.
Oh look, these are all Bob Marley t-shirts.
I like the t-shirt being that casual kind of gritty thing.
This is your gray pile of shirts.
Yeah,
and
this
then
is
all
a dress
of these.
that's getting ready to be made. And then I like the ball gown because you wouldn't expect the two to go together. So it's a gray theme, obviously.
And oops.
This is my creative outlet, so I'm just gonna keep doing it.
So what are we making today?
Okay, so we're gonna make a t-shirt mini dress, and it's gonna be made out of all pink t-shirts.
So we've got tons of pink t-shirts. We're gonna start with these.
Yes. Then we're gonna take our pattern pieces and we're gonna lay them on the graphic.
Oh,
So-
patterns are like my worst nightmare ever.
That's gonna be right along the edge of the back. And then I need to flip it around because it's gonna be the other side.
Oh, so you're using the same pattern piece. So we have one over here, one over here.
You got it. Next, we're going to cut out our pattern pieces that we've traced.
So you're just gonna dive in?
I'm just diving
You're not
in.
cutting up the seams?
Uh-uh.
She's crazy.
I am crazy.
Am I cutting in?
You just go for it.
Ah, I get a really serious face when I'm cutting.
Now we're going to sew together all of our pattern pieces using the industrial serger for stretch.
Yeah.
Cutting off a little bit. It cuts off just enough so that I meet my seam allowance, and
Bam.
there it is. You see how I said it was going to clean it up?
So perfect. It seems pretty cool.
You are so cool.
You're so cool. Okay, great. So this is the top, right?
Yes, and I just finished the lining, so now we just need to cut the skirt. I'm going to cut the skirt, and I'll just bring it right back.
Okay, I'll wait here in my new dress.
Now we're going to attach all of our garment parts together.
Oh my gosh! Wait, this is it.
We've attached the top to the bottom. Last, we're going to insert the zipper.
That's so
All
cute.
we have left to do is the hem.
This whole machine just for a hem?
Just for a hem. I know, it takes like an hour to thread it. It's kind of a beast.
Let's not break any of those threads. This is adorable. 16 t-shirts into this fabulous dress. You are a magician.
Oh, thank you.
Angela, thank you so much for having me in your craft room.
Thank you for coming and checking it out. I can't wait. You're going to have to put this on. I got to see you in it.
Thanks so much to Angela. Now we all know how to take an old t-shirt and turn it into a runway-ready dress. And that is what Angela is doing in her craft room. What are you doing in your craft room? I'll see you next time.
You're cute.
You're cute.
You're so cute.
You are so hot.
Oh my God. You win.
All right, hey, don't forget, happiness is handmade because genius happens when fabric, music, and a great idea collide in your brain. You've heard that before, right?
I love that.
It's your line.
Aw.